Hello, Chef here. I'm in one of the kitchens and I thought I would share some information with you to help you make better decisions when you're shopping, as well as save you money. Oh yeah, all done with that step, and there is my chicken. All processed, ready to go. Nice cutlets. Be sure to visit Aldi and score some of this. Aldi, if you're listening, reach out. Chef could help you tremendously boost your sales. And wow, this chicken's gonna be good. Hello, Chef here, continuing with this chicken, boneless, skinless chicken breast. Wow, it's a huge amount there, over 4 pounds, I believe. What a great deal. I'm gonna show you how to prepare this. I've got 1/3 of a lemon, 1 bay leaf, zest of a lemon, 3 ounces of salad oil, soy sauce, 2 tablespoons, jerk spices. Oh yeah, the jerk is good. We're going to put 2 tablespoons. The jerk has all kinds of different seasonings going on in there, just like our Cajun seasoning blend. It's really amazing stuff. There's about 30 different ingredients in there, and one of the things I really like with chicken is paprika. I'm going to put just a shake more paprika in there, like this. Gives it a little spice, turns it a little reddish. I really, really like it. And no recipe for chicken would be complete without some fresh ground pepper. Gotta have pepper. And another thing, chicken requires salt. It just does. So let's put a generous teaspoon of salt in there, okay? That's a really good chicken marinade right there. You should try this out. I also like to add a little bit of water just to help coat everything. Let's call that 2 tablespoons of water. And now we're going to give a little stir and a little tasting. Yeah, notice what I'm using here, right? Yeah, let's give it a little taste. Well, to do this correctly, I need a tasting spoon. Oh, I got one around here somewhere. Oh yeah, there we go. This one's wooden. Really cool. Little wooden tasting spoon. That's what I'm looking for right there. Oh yeah, a little more olive oil. One more thing, a touch of acidic properties would be good. We got the lemon going on already. I'm going to put a little bit of this white balsamic. Yeah, and that right there is a really awesome chicken marinade. Now we're going to put our chicken. However, let's make this easy. Large bowl. Marinade goes right over the top like this. Oh yeah. Manipulate these breasts, move them around. Oh yeah, I like the breasts. And I like to manipulate them. I want to get this coated all throughout. And once it's coated, we'll get the grill ready. Yeah. I'll be back to show you this finished chicken when it's cooked. It's going to be good. Subscribe right here. Once again, the chicken was a bargain. Aldi. Oh yeah. Back in the kitchen here. And wow. The finished grilled chicken. That's the 4 pounds. Yeah, food's getting expensive. So the first thing I'm going to talk about here is chicken. Selecting chicken and fresh chicken. Where to buy, how to handle, and how to process for maximum flavor. Is because what's in the package. It's not the price as much as what I'm getting is what I like. This is really good chicken. Bought it there before. And it's not just the price, it's the quality. That's what I'm looking for, is the quality. These are beautiful boneless, skinless breasts. They're big. Yes, there's some rib meat on there. That's okay. Ah, the boneless, skinless breasts, ready to go to the next step. And for that, I'll move to a new location. And what a deal it was. Subscribe right here, follow along, watch the chef's next video. I'll be turning this into something succulent, juicy, tender, and wonderful. Oh, the chicken scraps go in the freezer. I'll be making soup. Search soup on this channel and check out some of the amazing videos. By the way, this is what a master chef does in France, in Italy, in Europe, in the United States. We save our scraps for soup. That's a free chef tip for you right there. Really, really nice. A few things about this. This is harvested from sustainably renewable forestry. This is the best quality block you can buy if you want to have a walnut. An end grain is maybe easier on the knife. It makes an interesting sound when the knife's cutting and chopping and rocking back and forth. A lot of chefs prefer it. It's really cool. It's also aesthetically pleasing. Visually, wow, really, really nice. So if you're looking to upgrade and move up to something like this, super high quality, I recommend you check out the sponsor right there. They got these babies in stock. They get them to you quick. Sometimes they're made to order. There's all different sizes. Anyway, a few things. I want to move on here and give you a couple of tips. So people have often asked me, Chef, what about feet on a cutting board? Well, it makes sense. If your cutting board's going to slide or wiggle around on your surface, especially if you have granite or marble or stone or all these different synthetics, and sometimes the cutting board wiggles and slides while you're using it. You've seen it. It gets dangerous. That's where I recommend checking out the sponsor. They got this exclusive on these custom rubber feet. These are about 2 inches diameter and they're about 3/4 of an inch thick. They're going to do a few things for you. They're going to give you clearance. I'll put a few under here right now for you. They're going to give you clearance. They're going to make it non-slip, and they're also going to let the humidity, the moisture, and the air flow around your cutting board. There you go. Nice air gap there. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah. So you can caulk these on one side. You can just set them on like I did. You know, we've had people use screws or nails or attach them that way, however, whatever you want to do. But the main thing is the air gap. It's nice. I like it. This cutting board, by the way, is reversible. You can easily pick it up, flip it over, use the other side, and wow, really nice. Should last you easily a lifetime if you take care of it. Keep it out of the sink, oil it regularly, and it's going to be good. A couple more tips for you here. Let's see, what do I got? I got the board cream, and I got the mystery oil. 2 products you should have in your kitchen with the best block. Yeah, I'll be back with more. Subscribe right here. Check out more on this channel. Learn all kinds of expert cooking tips and tricks from certified chefs. We've got all kinds of chefs visiting, coming and going on this channel.